Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, you have entered an incorrect PIN several times. To try again. Type A1B2C3 in challenge phrase, or click sign in option use password. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.